In academic writing, a paragraph develops just one main idea. We can summarize this main idea in the point sentence, but the point sentence on its own is not enough. We need some more details. In functional grammar, there are 3 ways to expand on an idea, which we will now look at.
Expanding ideas. Cohesive devices. In functional grammar, there are 3 main ways to expand an idea. Extension is like addition in mathematics. You can expand an idea by adding 2 or more ideas together. Enhancement is like multiplication in mathematics. You can expand an idea by enhancing it with different qualities such as location, cause, and concession. Elaboration is like equivalence in mathematics. You can expand an idea by describing it in a different way. A good paragraph expands ideas using these 3 methods. Look at the following paragraph about museums to see examples of each type of expansion. Notice the words and phrases in red. These words and phrases are called cohesive devices. If you have ever studied English writing, you've probably studied cohesive devices. Here is a list of common ones. Remember, do not use cohesive devices for no reason. A good, coherent paragraph will make sense even without cohesive devices. The cohesive devices just make the connections easier to see. Look at the same paragraph with most of the cohesive devices removed. Sentences 3 and 4 do sound a little repetitive. However, the paragraph overall makes sense and is well structured even with most of the cohesive devices removed. This is because the paragraph follows the Peel structure.